on the left-hand side? Very interesting man. Left-hand side? Step forward, everyone. Space in front of you. Sorry, I need you to take a step forward that way, please.
Legitimate shipping company, Onaka Transport Solutions. I am sorry I could not be there to welcome you in person, but the work of a businessman is never done. I have many ships, and I have far too much cargo. What I need are pilots to transport it, gunners to protect it, and engineers to make sure it gets there in one piece. And that is where you come in, as my new flight crews, running on their master ships in the water. Like that one, the Millennium Falcon. Would you like that? Of course you will be compensated for the generous loan of your ship, and with assistance will get the supplies they need, and maybe a little something. It is time to go.
All right, everyone, please move forward.
Your mission brief and try to work together. Your lives and you can do. So let's get to a good ship. Today's flight takes you to the planet Millennium. You will be intercepting a first-order trade shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends, but to be sure, I will be coming along with you.
No, it's just kind of like open. No way, it's probably sick. Yeah, on solo. Alright, crew, let's go. Right this way, come on in.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños.
Alright, flight crew, take your seats, bags and backpacks on the floor in front of you, any other cargo to the side, and buckle up outside to in. Seatbelts are down to the sides, hold them across your waist towards the center. Once you're buckled up nice and tight, crew, tug on those yellow tabs, nice and hard, tug the yellow tab back and forth. Good job, pilots. Good job, gunner, other engineer. Tug on those yellow tabs.
Time is money.
You are the boss. Time is money. Tug on that yellow tab. Alright, press those flash buttons to start the ship.
Alright. What does this do? What are these buttons do? Shit, okay. Wait. I got this. Guys. I don't know what I'm doing. You know me?
Flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing button.
Sound is up.
Only one engineer.
Wait. So if I go down?
Help out.
Okay, down.
Right,
Down.
pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And pull forward. The guns are online.
I'm not even steering this time.
Left pilot. Hit the coasters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
I'm gonna do that. Oh shit.
Yes, keep shooting.
Kill him!
To us, I'll take you as an option.
Okay. Pressing random buttons.
There it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something from Mongo. Line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Do you see those big white rings? Could you fly?
And you guys part of the
Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. It's harder than it looks.
actually steering.
I know.
Punch! Oh, that's Boys, a distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Pilot, hit the boosters! We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here!
Can I see? You're supposed to watch it.
let us in. Remote. You retrieved 1 container of Copaxia. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is... Oh, that is rough.
Yeah, that's a lot of money.
We got a 38%.
Yeah, we suck.
38. That is terrible.
Time for you to go. And don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.
That actually made me ill.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs